Hey friends, welcome back to Live Free and Toulon. My name is Brent and today we are checking out this awesome tactical flashlight from Ciensky. This thing is really great. Hey, did I mention that it's IP68 waterproof? This thing is awesome. Hey, did I mention that this is also impact resistant? Now this is a quality, really good flashlight. Now that it is waterproof up to 2 meters and it's impact resistant, it has a really nice belt clip that can be removed right here. And it has a carrying pouch if you want to put that on your belt. You are more than welcome. Now you have a button on the bottom. If you hit that right there, you can see that comes on. You also have a button right here, and if you click it, you have a bunch of different levels. This is low, and on low you're going to get about 20 lumens. Medium, I believe like 150, I'm not sure, don't quote me. This is 800s on level 3. This is turbo. Oh my goodness. With turbo you are going to get 3600 lumens. You want to talk about the battery? Sure. So if we take this off, you're going to see that this is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery with 21700 cell. Now, you can recharge this right there. You have a little USB-C rechargeable, and that's really great. You got to take it apart. Now, why do I like that you have to take this apart in order to charge it? Well, that's because you have an O-ring here. You have O-rings up here as well, and that's where you get your waterproofing. That's what I'm talking about. These are the types of things that really make a difference whenever you are in the woods. Now we could talk about all the really cool features of the Ciensky P25 version 2 with its all aluminum milled body. This thing is awesome. However, we shouldn't be doing this in the daylight. It's beautiful outside. We need to be using this at night. So guess what? Okay, so we're back out at it. It's at nighttime. This is when you need this awesome little flashlight the most. So let's go ahead and check out exactly what you should expect if you're going to purchase one of these awesome flashlights. So right now it is on low, as you can see. Let me turn off the camera light. So this is what it looks. I'm about 10 feet away from a shipping container on low. This is on medium. This actually has pretty good light as we back up. We're about at 20 feet now. All right, this is high, and this is actually really nice. I want to make sure that you all get the best example for what you can use this really nice tactical flashlight for. Now, I think with all the amenities that it does have, 3600 lumens, that's pretty awesome. I think it's like 10,000 candelas or something like that, but the pure machining, engineering of this, all of the just quality waterproof. It's actually waterproof for 2 meters. So what is it, IPX68 or something like that? I think it's really worth it. Jump down below, hit the link if you are interested in one of these awesome lights, and you can test this out for yourself and let me know what you think. And until next time, everyone, my name is Brent. Again, this is Live Free and Toulon. I hope that this was helpful. Please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe as well. That does help us. And share the video. And that is what's most important, is to share the video, because you never know who you are going to help by sharing the video. Get out there, do something, build something, learn something, break something. Whenever you fail, you're going to learn. Then pass it on to the next generation. And until next time, take care. See you in the next video.